Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of MOF paper which was held on 13th of October 2024. So we will start from class 6th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. Question number first. Why can we not see light candle through a bent pipe? So we know that according to ray optics, the nature of light, it travels along a straight line. So in bent pipe, we cannot see a lighted candle. So our correct answer is because light travels in a straight line. So correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 2. So there are 4 options we have to check which is the correct one. So we know that 100 millimeter means 100 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 meter. That means it is equal to 10 to the power minus 1 meter. So this is wrong. Okay, because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Again, 10 millimeter is equals to 1 meter. Let us check. 10 into 10 to the power minus 3, which is equals to 10 to the power minus 2. So this is also incorrect. 100 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. We know that 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So this is also a wrong one. 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. This is absolutely correct. So our correct answer is option D. Next question number 3. The angle between incident ray and the plane mirror is 30 degrees. So let us draw a plane mirror first. Okay. So let us have a plane mirror and let's say if this is incident ray. And it is said the angle between incident ray and plane mirror, that means this angle is given 30 degree. Okay, definitely when this ray will fall on this mirror, it will reflect back by laws of reflection. This will be known as normal. Okay, so I will write it here, normal. This is reflected ray, this is incident ray. So as we know that this angle and this angle will be equal, so this is 30 degree. So the angle between incident ray and reflected ray, we know that total angle is 180 minus 30 minus 30, that means 180 minus 60, which is equals to 120 degree. And in question it is asked what will be the total angle between incident ray and reflected ray. So the correct answer will be 120 degree. So option B is our correct answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 4, which is a assertion reason question. Earth exhibits rotatory motion. Yes, Earth rotates around its own axis. So this is a true statement. Earth exhibits periodic motion. Yes, what is periodic motion? The motion which repeats itself in fixed time interval. So Earth is revolving around Sun in a fixed time interval. So this is also a true statement. So both are correct, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. So I will write correct answer is option B. Next question, question number 5, which is a match the following question. So, first one, shadow of moon falling on earth. So, this is due to solar eclipse. I will write for P2. Pinhole camera produces an image which is inverted and real. So, for Q, I will write 3. Full moon day is related to lunar eclipse. For it, I will write 4. Bouncing back of light, we know that known as reflection. So for it, I will write 1. So our correct sequence is 2, 3, 4, 1. That means option D is our correct answer. Next question number 6. So it is a graphical question based on a paragraph. And on the basis of this paragraph, it is asked in question number 6, which of the following will represent a uniform motion? Uniform motion means the body will travel equal distance in equal time interval. Okay, so we can see, let us start from D option. Okay, so in D we can see it is a graph between distance and time, and distance is fixed, it is not changing. That means it is representing that particle or object is at rest. So this is not true. In this we can see in fixed time interval the distance traveled is different, so it is not a uniform motion. This is not true. In this we can also see as the time increases the distance travel also increases. This is also non-uniform motion. In first option A we can see the graph between distance and time is a straight line. That means in fixed time interval, fixed distance is equal distance is traveled. So option A is our correct answer. Next question number 7 based on same paragraph. Which of the motion is executed by the clock hands? We know that the clock hands does its motion and repeats its motion in fixed time interval. So we'll say it will be a periodic motion. So our correct answer is option B. So we have discussed all the questions of subject physics. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel. You can also join our WhatsApp channel. The description of WhatsApp channel is provided in the description of this video. If you have any type of doubt in any question, then you can click Ask a Doubt button, which is provided in your MOF profile. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on Matrix YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the MOF paper solution for class 6, which was conducted on 13th of October 2024. Let's see the question. The question is, in this question, the given table shows some properties of three substances P, Q and R. Okay, let's see the table. In the table, here there are different substances are there, P, Q and R. First, soluble in water, and second, attached by magnet. So if we discuss about P, P is soluble in water but not attracted by the magnet. Okay, next is Q. Q is not soluble in water and attracted by magnet, and R is also not soluble in water and not attracted by magnet. Okay, let's see the question. The following steps were carried out to obtain P from a mixture of P, Q and R. Okay, let's see the methods. First method is filtration, second method is evaporation, third is magnetic separation, and fourth is addition of water. The sequence in which these steps should be carried out is, okay, first from the mixture we can say first method is magnetic separation method. Okay, from the magnetic separation method we can separate Q. Okay, so after that means first is magnetic separation method. After that magnetic separation method we add the water. So there are two substances P and R. P is soluble in water and R is not soluble in water. So P is soluble in water. So when we add the water, then there are the two substances. First P is soluble in water and R is not soluble in water. Okay. So after the addition of water means after the third process, magnetic separation, we add water. Okay. Then after that filtration process will be proceed, and after that filtration process we can use the evaporation process, so we can get all the P, Q and R, all the substances. So according to that 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, it means C option is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, hydrogen is a gas and is a form of matter, hence it. We know that hence is a substance which occupy spaces and has a particular mass and volume. Okay, let's see the option. Hydrogen is a gas and hence it form a matter. We know that. Occupy space, yes, matter is a substance, or we can say everything which have or which occupy any space is known as a matter. Has mass, has volume. So the option D is the right option for this question. Means matter is which occupies space and has particular mass and volume. Okay, so the option D is the right option for this question. Now the next is assertion reason type question. So let's see the first statement, assertion. Assertion is materials can be sorted on the basis of solubility in water. Yes, we know that the different type of the substances are present. Like there are the two types of the substances. polar and non-polar. Basically, the polar substances, or we can say the polar solutes, are dissolved in the polar solvent, and the non-polar solutes are dissolved in the non-polar solvents. We can say that the compounds are classified into two categories. First, the compounds which are soluble in water, and the second are the compound or species which are insoluble in water. So according to that, the assertion material can be sorted on the basis of solubility in water. Yes, we know that it is a true statement. Now let's see the second statement. The second statement is lemon juice is insoluble in water. No, lemon juice is not insoluble in water. Lemon juice is easily soluble in water. So this is completely a false statement. Okay, now let's see the option. The first option is both assertion and reason are the true, and the reason is a correct explanation of assertion. No, it is completely wrong statement, because assertion is true but reason is wrong. Next is both assertion and reason are the true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. It is also wrong. Next, assertion is true and the reason is false. Yes, assertion is true and the reason is false, because we know that lemon water is soluble in water, and here in the reason, lemon juice is insoluble in water. So the option C is the right option for this question. And the last is assertion is false and the reason is true. This is also a wrong option. Okay. So the next is, in the next question, there are two columns. So match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Now the column first is salt and sand. First is P is salt and sand, Q is salt and sugar, R is wood and paper, and S is water and alcohol. Now let's see the column second. In the column second, first is float on water, next is miscible, third is solids, and fourth is soluble in water. Okay, now let's see the option. First is float on water. We know that salt and sand, they both are not float on water. Salt and sugar also not float on water because they have the higher density than water. If we're talking about wood and paper, yes, wood and paper have less density than water, so they can float on water. So the R match with first. Next is miscible. Salt and sand are not miscible with each other. Salt and sugar are also not miscible with each other. Water and alcohol are polar substances and they are easily mixed with each other. So the miscible substances are water and alcohol. Now the next is solids. Salt and sand are solid and salt and sugar are also solid, but here are two options, solids and soluble in water. And we know that the salt and sugar are soluble in water, but salt and sand are not soluble in water. Salt is soluble in water, but sand is not soluble in water. It settle down in the bottom. So P match with third and Q match with fourth. Okay, let's see the option. P match with third option, Q match with fourth option, R match with first, and S match with second. So 3, 4, 1, 2. So the option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is paragraph based question. Okay, let's see the paragraph. The paragraph is, the process of sublimation is used to separate those solids from their mixture which directly pass to vapor state upon heating without passing through the liquid state, and the vapors on cooling give back the solid again. Means sublimation is basically a process in which solids directly convert into vapor phase, okay, not passing out the liquid state. Okay, so the solid in the sublimation process, solid convert into vapor and the vapors convert into directly in the solid state. Okay, and the compounds in which the solid substances are directly convert into vapor phase and vapor phase converting directly into solid phase, that substances are known as the sublimable substance. And the example of that substances are like camphor and ammonium chloride and iodine, okay, naphthalene. These are the examples of these type of substances. Now the mixture is taken in a china dish and is covered by a glass funnel and heated to separate the sublimate. Okay, now let's see which of the following undergoes sublimation. Okay, so now there are different options. First is iodine, chlorine, sulfur, and iron. We know that iodine is a sublimable substance, so it can easily convert into solid to vapor state. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. In the next question, the paragraph is same, okay, but the question is different. Let's see the question. The question is, a mixture of salt and camphor is heated. Camphor, we know that the camphor is a sublimable substance, means it directly convert into solid to vapor phase, okay. So the fumes which are evolved will be of salt, camphor, salt and camphor, and no vapors are evolved. We know that the camphor is sublimable substance and it is more volatile than solid. So the option B is the right option for this question. Thank you. If you have any doubt, any query regarding any question, so there is one option, ask a doubt. Or for more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. You can join our WhatsApp channel also. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 6th biology. Let's start. First question. Organs involved in movement are called. Organ in movement. Option first, locomotory organ, right. Motor organ, wrong. Migratory organ, wrong. And joint, wrong. Locomotory organ help in locomotion. Right answer is option first. Next, what is the function of synovial fluid in joint? Synovial fluid present between two bones, mean to say at the joint. And function is synovial is lubricates the joint and reduce friction. Option A is right. Provide chemical, wrong. Absorb water and pressure, wrong. And all of the above, wrong. So according to question, right answer is option A. Next question is, iodine solution turn blue-black when added to food X. The X food is most likely when iodine solution add with potato extract or potato juice, then show blue-black color, because presence of starch show blue-black color. So right answer according to question is a piece of butter, wrong. A piece of bread. Right answer, because presence of starch in bread. Milk, wrong. Boiled egg, wrong. Right answer is option B. Next question is, assertion A, deficiency of iodine can cause goiter. Absolutely right. And next reason, swelling or lump in the neck region is a symptom of goiter. Goiter, deficiency of iodine. Goiter at the neck region. Both are right. Both assertion A and reason are true, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. Option A is the right answer. In B, not, that wrong. False, that wrong. False, that wrong. So option A is right. Next question is, match the column first and second. Match column first. P, sunlight. Sunlight. In column second, vitamin D. Sunlight, vitamin D. And pulses. Pulses for protein. And cereals that contain carbohydrate and mustard seed, oily fat. So this matching show 4, 3, 1, 2. Option B is correct for this matching. 4, 3, 1, 2. Next question is, Fat are energy giving component of food like carbohydrate. They are obtained from both plant and animal. Fats are stored under the skin, right, under the skin in the form of fatty tissue, that is adipose, and around various organs in our body. Water maintain a healthy body that is free from disease. Now, first question for this paragraph. In the given flow chart, identify X and Y. Energy giving food, X, protein, fat is energy giving food, but water not, mineral not, carbohydrate. Correct matching is fat and carbohydrate. So according to this question, right option is option C. Option C is right because fat and carbohydrate are energy giving food. Next question is, fats are stored in human body as in the form of adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is right answer. Bone wrong, cartilage wrong, cuboidal epithelium wrong. Because fatty tissues present under the skin or many organ in the form of adipose tissue. These are the all solution for biology. And for more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello students, welcome to the 2024th edition of Matrix Olympiad. So today I am here to discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 6th for math subject. So let's start. Now here we have question number 1, that is how to write 68,527,901 in Indian system of numeration. So here we have to write these number in Indian system. So here we have given in first international system. So first we have to write 68 million. So 68 million, comma 527. So 527, comma 901. So 901. So here this is in international system. So I write here again 68527,901. So we have to convert it into Indian system of numeration. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It means 6 crore 85 lakh 27,901. So check which option is correct. 6 crore 85 lakh 27,901. So here option number B is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is Mohit types 25 pages per day. So how many pages will he type in the month of November? So here we have given Mohit types in one day 25 pages. So number of days in November, that is 30 days. So here we use unitary method. So pages types in 30 days, that is 30 multiplied by 25. So 25 1 25, 25 2 50, 25 3 75. So here I get 750 page. So 750, option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about third question, that is Radhika bought 2 sweaters of rupees 1675 each, and Roshni bought 3 bags of rupees 1215, 1108 and 1623. So here we have to find what is the total estimated price of 2 sweaters and 3 bags if estimated to the nearest tens. So here we have given nearest tens. So price of one sweater, that is 1675, and if I talk about nearest 10, so I can say that around 1680, that is the nearest 10. So for 2 sweaters the price of, so here I can say that for 2 sweater, that is 1680 multiply by 2. So here if I multiply this one, so I get 0, 8 to ja 16, carry 1, 6 to ja 12 or 1, 13, carry 1 and 3360 for the price of 2 sweaters. So here I can say that price of 2 sweater, that is 3360, and price of bag, here we have given 15, so we have to find the nearest 10. So I can say that 1220, 1110 and 1620. So if I add all these number, so here I get 0, 648, 819, 902, 11, carry 1. So 336, 67, 7 or 6, 13, again carry 1 and here I get 7. So 7310 rupees that is required for Radhika. So here answer number A is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is how many whole numbers are there between 25 and 75. So here we have to find the how many whole numbers are there between 25 to 75. So here I can say that 4 whole numbers (75) minus 25 and minus 1. So if I subtract this one, so here I get 50 minus 1, so answer that is 49. So check which option is correct. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is what is the greatest 5-digit number divisible by 8. So what is the rule of divisibility of 8? So if the last 3 digit of any number are 0, yeah, last 3 digit of any number are divisible by 8, then the whole number is completely divisible by 8. So we have the greatest 5-digit number, that is 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. Now if I talk about last 3 digit, that is 9, 9, 9. Now if I divide this one with 8, so here I get 1, 8 1 ja 8, carry 1, subtract 1, here I put 9, 8 2 ja 16, if I subtract 1, then here I get 3 and here 9. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 70, 8 4 ja 32. If I subtract here, so here I get 7. So remainder 7, it means we have to subtract this number to minus 7. So here I get 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 minus 7. So here I get the greatest number which is completely divisible by 8, that is 9992. So here 9992, option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is Tom spends rupees 50,000 to buy a motorcycle and rupees 30,000 to buy a laptop and rupees 10,000 to buy a mobile. So how much money did Tom spend all together? So here, so I can say that rupees for motorcycle, that is 50,000. Again for laptop, that is rupees 30,000. if I talk about 4 rupees mobile, so I can say that 4 mobile, that is 10,000. Now if I add all these number, so here I get 90,000. So check which option is correct. So here option number D is the correct answer, 90,000. So now if I talk about next question, that is, if 9835 multiplied by 88A is divisible by 15, then what is the value of A? So what is the divisibility rule of 15? If a number is divisible by 5 and if a number is divisible by 3, then the completely number is divisible by 15. So I can say that if I divide this number to 9835 multiply by 88A upon 15. So here I can say that I can write here 9835 multiply by 88A divided by 5 multiply by 3. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 and remaining 4, 5 9 ja 45 remaining 3, 5 6 ja 30 remaining 3 and 5 7 ja 35. It means the number is 1967 multiplied by 88A divided by 3. So check the divisibility rule of 3. The sum of these number is completely divisible by 3, right? So 9 1 10, 10 and 6 16, 16 plus 7 23. So 23 is not divisible by 3. So if I talk about this one, so here 8 plus A. So 8 and 8 16, 16 plus A. Now here we have to find the value of A. So first I put 2 and 16 plus 2, that is 18. It means the 18 is completely divisible by 3. So I can say that option number 2 is the correct value of A. So here option number A is the correct answer. Now next question is that the length, breadth and height of a room are 825 cm, 675 cm and 450 cm respectively. Find the longest step that can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So here we have to find the longest step. So for longest step we have to find the HCF of 825, 675 and 450. So here I can say that HCF of 825, 675, 450. So simple, I write here 825, 675, 450. So first I take 3, so 3 2 ja 6 and remaining 2, 3 7 ja 21 and 5 3 ja 15. So here 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6 and 5 3 ja 15. Now here 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15 and 0. Now here I take again 5. So 5 5 ja 25 and remaining 2. Now here again 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25 and 5 3 ja 50. So here 0. Now again we take here 3, again we take here 5. So here 11, 9 and 6. So the HCF is 5 multiply 3. So 5 5 ja 25 and 25 3 ja 75. So here the longest step, that is 75 centimeters. So check which option is correct. So 14,000 wrong. This one is also wrong. So here option none of these, D option is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is a prime number is greater than 30 and less than 60. So what is the greatest possible prime number? So here first we have to find the prime number between 30 to 60. So the first prime number, that is 31, then I can say that 37, 41, 43, 47 and 53 and last one, that is 59. So here all these are the prime numbers between 30 to 60. So here we have to find what is the greatest possible prime number. So for greatest possible prime number I can say that 59. So check which option is correct. So here option number D is the correct answer over here. If I talk about next question, that is, if the sum of two number is 16. Suppose that we have given two number and sum of two number is 16 and the difference between two number is 10 and the difference between two number we have given 10, then find the number. So let two number be A and B. Now first we have given sum, so I can say that here sum A plus B is equal to, we have given 16 and we have given difference that is 10. So A minus B is equal to 10. If I add both these two equations, so I can say that A plus A, 2A is equal to, here B to be cut out, and 10 plus 16, that is 26. Now the value of A is equal to 26 divided by 2 and the value of A is equal to 13. So now if I put the value of A in this equation, so I can say that 13 plus B is equal to 16. So here the value of B is equal to 16 minus 13. So if I subtract this one, so here I get the value of B is equal to 3. So here we have two number, one is 13 and another one is 3. So check which option is correct, 13 and 3, 13 and 3. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is, what type of angle measures exactly 180 degree and its rays forms a straight line. So we have to find an angle which measure exact 180 degree. So here let us assume this is the straight line and it may make angle 180 degree. So this angle is called straight angle. This angle is called straight angle. So check which option is correct. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is, what is a line that divides an angle called. So suppose that we have an angle and a line that is divide an angle in two parts, then this line is called angle bisector. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is, how many arcs are made by a chord in a circle. So first we draw a circle. So let's assume this is a circle. Now we have to find how many arcs are made by a chord. So this is a chord. So here we can say that 1 and 1. Two chords are, so here we can say that two arcs are formed by a chord. So here where is 2? So your option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is, what is the ascending order of minus 23, 12, 0, minus 6, minus 100 and minus 1. So here we have a number that is minus 23, 12, 0, minus 6, comma, minus 100 and minus 1. So we have arranged in ascending order. So what is ascending order? We have to arrange in ascending order. So for ascending order, check the smallest number, that is minus 100. So here I write minus 100, comma, then minus 23, comma, then minus 6, minus 1, 0, then 12. So check which option is correct, minus 100, minus 23. So this one is no. Minus 100, minus 23, minus 6, minus 1, 0 and 12. So here I can say that option number C is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is we have to simplify minus 5 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 2 plus mode of minus 1 multiply 0 plus 0 multiply 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 multiply 5 and mode. So simple. First minus minus plus and plus minus minus and minus minus plus. So here 5 4 ja 20 and 23 ja 60 and 62 ja 120. So here I get 120 multiply by mode of If I multiply -1 to 0, then I get 0. Here plus, and if here 0 is multiplied to all these numbers, then we get 0. So here 120 multiply by 0 plus 0, that is 0. So here I get answer, that is 0. So check which option is correct. 0. Option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is an elevator descends into an mine shaft at the rate of 8 meter per minute. If the descent start from 12 meter above the ground level, so how long will it take to reach minus 468 meters? So here minus sign show the below the ground. So first we have given a rate that is 8 meter per minute. So first I draw this. Suppose this one is a ground level and a lift start 12 meter above the ground level. So let us assume a lift start from this one. So and the distance between ground level to this one, that is 12 meter. And a time to take reach minus 468 meters. So 468 meters. So let's assume this one is 468 meters. So distance from this one to this one, that is 468 meter plus 12 meter. So if I add this one, so here I get 0.84 meter. So now here we have to find time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So here we have given distance, that is 480 meter, upon speed, that is 8. So if I cut this one, so 6 8 ja 48. So here I get 60 minute. So check which option is correct here. So here option number A is the correct answer. So if I talk about next question, that is based on sequence based. So given below are the steps taken when constructing an angle using a protractor. Arrange the steps in correct sequence. So here we have given 4 sequence, that is P, Q, R and S, and we have to arrange in to constructing an angle using a protractor. So let's first, for protractor we draw a line AB, let us assume, and then we arrange. So here draw a line segment AB. So here first we draw right, and then now place the center of the protractor on point A, and such that the line segment AB aligned with the line of protractor. Now we have to count 0, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let us assume we have to find this angle. So now start from 0 and the protractor marks the point C in the paper as per required angle. So first we have to draw for R and we follow Q step, and then now we follow step S, and last one, that is join AC and angle BAC is the required angle. So this one is P. So here RQSP is the correct answer. So RQSP is the correct answer. Here option number C is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, which is again based on sequence based question. So here we have given the population of a town, that is 96,209. The number of men is 29,642 and the number of women, that is 29,167. So given below are the steps taken to determine the number of children. Arrange the steps in the sequence. So first we have given the population of town, that is 96,209. Now again we have given the number of men, so I can say that number of men, that is 29,642. and the number of women that is 29,167. Now here we have to find the number of children. So for number of children, that is for number of children, that is we have to find total population minus sum of number of men and women. So here we have to find sum of men and women. So sum of men and women, that is sum of men, that men are here 29,642 and number of women that are 29,167. So here if I add both these numbers, so 7 to 9, 6 4 10, carry 1, 6 and 1 7, 7 or carry 8, 9 9 18, carry 1, 2 2 4 and 5. These are the sum of number of men and women. So number of children that is total population. Here we have given 96,209 minus 58,809. So here if I subtract this one, so here I get the total number of children that are 37,400. So check. First we have the population of town, that is 96,209. So the population of town, that is 96,209. So this one is this is the step P. Now we have to find the number of men and number of women. So number of men and number of women. So this one is Q. Now therefore the sum of men and sum of women, the sum of men and sum of women. So here this one is, so I can say this one is S, and last one number of children, that is R. So P, Q, S are the correct sequence order. So P, Q, S, R. So P, Q, S, R, option number B is the correct answer over here. So if I talk about next question, which is based on assertion and region. So here assertion, that is 82 is the successor of 81. So we know if I add 1 in 81, then I get the successor of 81, that is 82. So I can say that assertion is true. Now if I talk about reason, for any natural number you can add 1 to that number and get the next number, that is you get its successor. So yes, this one is true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here I can say that both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of assertion. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on assertion or region, that is again based on assertion or region. So here we have given assertion, that is the factor of 8 are 1 2 4 8. So factor of 8, that is 1 2 4 8. So here I can say that assertion is true. If I talk about reason, that is every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So reason is also true, and this is the correct explanation of assertion. So I can say that both assertion and reason are true, and reason R is a correct explanation of assertion. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is based on true false, which of the following statement is true or false. So here we have given 4 statements, so we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So first, except 0 all whole numbers are natural numbers. So we know whole numbers, that is 0 1 2 3 and so on, and all these numbers are also known as natural number. So I can say that statement first is true. If I talk about next one, 0 is the only whole number. 0 is the only whole number. So I can say that this one is false. No, 1 is also whole number, 2 is also whole number. Now if I talk about third one, there are 100 whole numbers between 0 to 100. So for whole numbers, 100 minus 0 minus 1. So here I get 99 whole numbers. So this one is false. If I talk about next one, the sum of a number and 0 is the number itself. So let assume a number that is 5, and if I add 0 in this number, so here I get the result that is number itself. So this one is also true. So the correct answer, that is T F F T. So check which option is correct. T F F T. So T F F T. So here option number B is the correct answer. So if I talk about next question, that is, which of the following statement is are true or false? So again we have given statements and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So statement number 1, that is 8 can be written as a rational number with any integer as denominator. So 8 can be written as a rational number with any integer as denominator. No, this one is not true. So I can say that this is false. If I talk about next one, the product of a positive and a negative integer is negative. So first we take a positive integer, that is plus 5, and we take a negative integer, that is minus 2. If I take here, so plus minus minus and 5 to is 10, so I get negative integer. So this one is true. Now if talk about third one, the value of mode of minus 67 minus mode of minus 28, that is 39. So if I solve this one, so here I get 67 minus 28. So here I get 39. So I can say that this one is true. If I talk about last one, minus 7 and 7 are the equidistance from 0 on the number line. So here first we draw a number line, and this one is 0, and here let's assume 7, and here let's assume minus 7. So from 0, this one is also from 7 unit, and this one is also from 7 unit. So I can say that this one is equidistance. So this one is also true. So here false, true, true and true, yani F, T, T, T. So check F, T, T, T. So here option number D is the correct answer. So if I talk about next question, that is, which of the following statement is true or false? So the center of a circle is always in its interior. So first we draw a circle, and in this circle this one is called interior part and this is called outer part. So center this is, so I can say this is the interior part. So this is true. If I talk about next one, the horizontal line and vertical line always intersect at right angle. So let's assume this one is a horizontal line and this one is a vertical line, and these lines are make angle 90 degree. So this one is also true. If I talk about third one, a line with definite length is known as line segment. Yes, this is called line segment because it having a fixed length. So this is also true. A part of a circle is called the point of the circle. No, this one is false. So here we have given true, 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 false. So T, T, F. So T, 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 F. So option number A is the correct answer over here. So if I talk about next question, that is based on match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct using the code given below. So here we have given P, A plus B is equal to B plus A. So this is called the commutative property under addition. So P is connected to 2. So Q is, that is A plus B bracket plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So this is called the associative properties under addition. So associativity of A, this is true. If I talk about third one, that is A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So this is called the distributive property under multiplication. And last one, that is A multiplied B is equal to B multiplied C. So this is called the commutative property under multiplication. So here P is connected to 2 and Q is connected to 3 and R is connected to 1 and S is connected to 4. So check which option is correct. 2, 3, 1, 4. So 2, 3, 1, 4. So here option number D is the correct answer. Okay. If I talk about next question, that is against based on match the column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. So first we have 35. So 35 is the multiple of, I can say that, 7. If I talk about next question, 15. 15 is the factor of 45. If I talk about R1, that is R is the multiple of 8 and 6 is the factor of 6. So here P is connected to 2 and Q is connected to 4, R is connected to 1 and S is connected to 3rd. So here 2, 4, 1, 3. So 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 4, 1, 3. So here option number B is the correct answer. So if I talk about next question, which is again based on column, match the column. So here we have given column 1 and column 2. So here column 1, that is M X I X. M means 1000, 1010 and 1019. So here I can say that 1019. So check 1019. So P is connected to 3rd. If I talk about next one, Q, that is M D L X V. M, that is 1000, D means 500. So I can say that 1500. L means 50, 1550, 60 and 65. So here I can say that 1565. So here Q is connected to 4. If I talk about third one, that is R, which is M C X X 1 2 3. So here M, that is 1000, again M, that is 1000. So 1000 plus 1000, 2000, and C means 100, so 2000, 100, 10, 120 and 123. So here I can say 2123. So 2123, 2123, option number B, sorry, option number second one. So R is connected to second. And if I talk about S, that is M DC XL. So here M means 1000, again M means 1000 and again M means 1000. So 1, 2, 3, 3000, D which is 500, 3500, 600 and 640. So here I can say 3640. So 3640. Oh, here S is connected to 1. So I can say that P is connected to 3, Q is connected to 4, R is connected to 2 and S is connected to 1. So 3, 4, 2, 1. So 3, 4, 2, 1. Here option number C is the correct answer, that is 3, 4, 2, 1. So now if I talk about next question, which is based on paragraph. So the paragraph is the level of the surface of ocean or is called the sea level. Land and hills are raised and are at same height from the sea level. So we have given like this one is a structure and this is the sea level and this one is the raised surface, that is called hills. So city A is 10 meter below the sea level. So this is the sea level and city A is the, let's assume this is the city A, which is 10 meter below, and city B is 28 meter below the sea level. So let's assume this one is the city B here and that is here, that is 28 meter, and city C is 14 meter above the sea level. So let's assume this one is city C and this is the 14 meter. So which of the three cities is at the highest elevation from the sea level? So if I talk about highest elevation, so I can say that city C is at the highest elevation. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is again based on same paragraph. which is the sea level of the surface of ocean and sea is called the sea level. The land and hills are raised are at same height from the sea level. So here we have given same diagram, and city A is 10 meter below the sea level. So let us assume this is the city A. This is 10 meter below, and city B is 28 meter below. So let us assume this is the city B, which is 28 meter below, and city C is 14 meter above the sea level. So let us assume this one is the city C, and this is the 14 meter above the sea level. So here we have given the elevation of city D is 1 meter above the elevation of city B. So here we have given city B, that is here, and city A, that is here. City D is 1 meter above. It means, let us assume here we have given city D. So the distance from city D, that is 27 meter. So what is the elevation of city D? For the elevation of city D, we can say that 27 meter below. So here option number A is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is again based on paragraph, that is, let's look at Deepak's study table. The top A, B, C, D is flat. He asked his sister Geeta, is she able to see some point and line segment on the table top? She says yes. Then he asked her some questions related to point, parallel lines and line segments. So question number 49, that is, which of the following is a pair of parallel lines? So pair of parallel lines, so here I can say that AD, here I can say that AD and BC, one pair, that is the parallel lines pair. And again, if I talk about AB and CD, this is the pair which is against the parallel lines. So here check AB and AD, AB and AD, no, this one is not the pair of parallel lines. AC and BC, AC and BC, this is also wrong. AB and CD, so if I check AB and CD, yes, so here option number D is the correct answer. So if I talk about next question, that is against based on same paragraph, which is, let's look at Deepak's study table. The top ABCD is flat. He asked his sister Geeta, is she able to see some point and line segment on the table top? She says yes. Then he asked her some questions related to points, parallel lines and line segment. Now question is that a pair of intersecting line segment at point A. So check where is point A. So here this is the point A, and pair of line segment. So pair of line segment, I can say that AD and BC. So not BC, AD and AB. So check AD and AB. So AD and AB, AD and AB. So here option number D again is the correct answer over here. So now if you enjoy the paper, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 6 reasoning conducted on 13 October 2024. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So now question number 51 and 52. Find the next term of given series. So series is 17, 19, 22, 27 and 34, and find the next term. So first find the pattern of the given series. So pattern of the series 17 to 19, it means plus 2. Now 19 to 22, it means plus 3. Now 22 to 27, it means plus 5. 27 to 34, it means plus 7. So plus 2, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, it means adding the prime numbers. So now next adding 11. So next prime number is 11. So 34 plus 11, it means 45. So next term of the given series is 45. So now here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. So find the next term of given series. So E, B, D, H, X, I, K, T, N, N, P, S, and find the next. So taking first alphabet of each term. Taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is small e. First alphabet of second term is small h. After H, next is K, small k. Now next is small n, and find the next. So find the pattern of the given series. So place value of E is 5, place value of H is 8, place value of K is 11, place value of N is 14. So pattern is 5 plus 3, it means 8. 8 plus 3, it means 11. 11 plus 3, it means 14. Now similarly 14 plus 3, it means 17. So now here small q, because place value of q is 17 in English alphabet. So first missing alphabet is small q. So now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is capital B. After capital B, next is X. After X, next is T. After T, next is P. And next is missing. So first find the pattern of the series. So place value of P is 16. Place value of T is 20. Place value of X is 24. Similarly, 16 to 20, now 20 to 24. Similarly, place value of B also 28. So pattern is 28 minus 4, it means 24. 24 minus 4, it means 20. Now 20 minus 4, it means 16. Similarly, 16 minus 4, it means 12. So here missing alphabet is L, because place value of L is 12 in English alphabet. So second alphabet of the missing term is capital L. So now taking third alphabet of each term. So third alphabet of first term is small d. After small d, next is I. After I, next is small n. After small n, next is S, small s, and find the next. So place value of D is 4. Place value of I is 9. Place value of N is 14. Place value of S is 19. So pattern is 4 plus 5, it means 9. Now 9 plus 5, it means 14. 14 plus 5, it means 19. Similarly, 19 plus 5, it means 24. So here 24, it means small x, because place value of x is 24 in English alphabet. So missing alphabet, third missing alphabet is small x. So missing term is small q, capital L, and small x. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Deepak drives 6 km towards east from point A and takes a right turn and drives 3 km. He again take a right turn and drive 8 km. He takes one more right turn and drives 3 km to reach point B. How far and in which direction should he drive in order to reach point A again? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now, according to question, A is the starting point of Deepak. A is the starting point of Deepak. Now Deepak drives 6 km towards east. So this is the east of A. So Deepak first drives 6 km towards east direction. Now takes a right turn and drives 3 km and drives 3 km. Now after this, he again take a right turn and drives 8 km. He takes a right turn. This is the right turn and drive 8 km. Now after this, he takes one more right turn. He takes one more right turn and drives 3 km to reach point B. So this is the point B. So this is the final point of Deepak. Now how far? It means find the distance between A and B. Find the distance between initial point and end point. So find the distance between AB. So distance between AB is 8. Total is 8 minus 6. It means 2 km. So distance between starting point and end point is 2 km. Now, in which direction should he drive in order to reach point A again? If he will drives towards east direction, then he will reach point A again. So here 2 kilometer towards east is the correct answer of this question. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Choose the alternative which is closely resemble the mirror image of given combination. AB is a mirror. Before starting these questions, we should know that the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of this part. So horizontal and vertical lines remains same in the mirror and water image. So vertical lines and horizontal lines will remain same in the mirror image and as well as water image. So now find the water image of this line. So mirror image of this line. So mirror image of this line will look something like this. Now mirror image of this line. So mirror image of this line will look something like this. Now mirror image of this line. So mirror of this line will look something like this. So this is the correct mirror image of given figure. So now here option B is the correct mirror image of given figure. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Now next question is question number 55. Choose the alternative which is closely resemble the water image of given combination. In the water image question, water is always taken below the figure. So now here is water. So find the water image of this figure. So water image of this figure will look something like this. Now shaded part of this triangle will look something like this. This is the correct water image of this figure. So now here option B is the correct water image of given figure. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. There are 40 students in a class. Raju got 13th rank from the top in his class. What is the position of the Raju from the bottom side? So given is total number of students in this class is 40. Now rank of Raju from the top is 13th. Rank of Raju from the top is 13. And now find the rank of Raju from the bottom. Find the rank of Raju from the bottom. So formula is find the rank of Raju from the bottom end is equals to total minus position of Raju from the top. Position of Raju from the top plus 1. So total number of students in this class is 40 minus number of rank of Raju from the top is 13. So 40 minus 13 plus 1. 40 minus 13 it means 27 plus 1 it means 28. So position of Raju from the bottom is 28. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question. So now next question is question number 57. What should come in the place of question mark in the following question? So find the value of given equation. So first using BODMAS rule in this equation. So according to BODMAS, first solve the small brackets. So first solve the small brackets. So it means 34 minus 12. It means 22 plus now 4 multiplied by 3 it means 12 divided by 12 plus 5 it means 17 multiplied by 5. Now solve the curly brackets. So 22 plus 12, it means 34 divided by 17 multiply by 5. Now solve the large bracket. So 34 divided by 17, it means 2 multiply by 5. So 2 multiply 5, it means 10. So value of given equation is 10. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question. So now next question, question number 58. Select the correct set of symbol which will fill in the given equation. So equation is 11, 3, 11, 2, 9 is equals to 10. In this type of questions, options are taken one by one and check which one will follow correctly. So first taking option A. So now according to option A, 11 multiply by 3 divided by 11. Now 11 minus 2 plus 9 is equals to 10. Now using BODMAS rule, so first divide the numbers. 11 multiply by 3 divided by 11 minus 2 plus 9. So 11 म्हणजे 11. So 1 multiply by 3, it means 3 minus 2 plus 9 is equals to 10. So 3 plus 9, it means 12 minus 2 is equals to 10. 12 minus 2, it means 10. 10 always equals to 10. So now here option A is the correct answer of this question. So now next question is question number 59. In the following question, figures showing sequence of folding and cutting a paper are given, which could resemble the figure in the answer figure. In this type of questions, unfold the paper in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first unfold this figure in this direction because this figure has been folded in this direction. So this figure will be unfolded in this direction. So when unfold this figure, then we get a figure like this. Then we get a figure like this. Now unfold this figure in this direction because this figure has been folded in this direction. So this figure will be unfolded in this direction. So now unfold this figure in this direction. So when we unfold this figure in this direction, then we get a figure like this. So mirror image of this part like this. Now mirror image of this part like this. This is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So now here option B is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So now here option B is the correct answer of this question. So next question is question 60. Choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure Z. So in this type of questions, first unfold the Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X and find the image of X because X represent unfolded paper. So figure Z unfolded in this direction because figure Y has been folded in this direction. So this figure will be unfolded in this direction. So when we unfold this figure, then we get a image like this. This is the figure Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got Z, then we got X. So now unfold the Y. So unfold the Y in this direction because figure Y has been folded in this direction. So this figure will be unfolded in this direction. So when we unfolded this figure, then we get a image like this. So mirror image of this part will look something like this. This is the figure X. So figure X represent unfolded paper. So this is the correct unfolded figure after cutting. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question because C represents correct unfolded paper after cutting. So C is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the paper solution, please log in the website and click Ask the Doubt option and write your doubt there. Now, new update related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a good time.